Don't bite my fingers. Hang on. Excuse me. Okay, let's try one hand raking. You're a pest. You can stop trying to eat my fingers. Stop it. Okay, don't try to eat me. Or the rake. That's my shirt. You're a brat. I can't rake if you're going to eat me or the shovel. You gonna go away now? Huh? You gonna turn your butt at me? Ha. Hopefully, you don't come back. And I will be an expert in the rake with one hand. Well, they lazy off and eat. They're ignoring me. Look at this crap. Over here, too. I'm gonna have to do this all with one hand. Well, unless I stop the video. Or those guys come over here. I don't think they're gonna come over here. Hey, Griffin! Hey, Griffin! Come here! Come here! 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 Stop moving! Stop moving! Come here with this hand. Hopefully the rake doesn't fall on you. There we go. Bright eyes, just like your papa. Huh? Huh? Don't break it. Yeah. I'm gonna stop this now. Bye, Griffin.